Ganja Shada Danayodi. Today's lesson is learning one way how to ask someone how to say a word in Hmong. So you may ask them, Go hai blink walu Hmong li ya. And they might respond with Yo blink or just tell you how to say that word in Hmong. So again, the question you may ask is, Go hai blink walu Hmong li ya. And they will answer with Yo blink or just tell you. So for example, you want to know how to say the word book in Hmong. So then you may ask, Go hai book walu Hmong li ya. And they will tell you, Yo pao dao. Or just say pao dao. Alright, so now your turn. How would you ask someone how to say the word please in Hmong? Yeah, so you might ask, Go hai please walu Hmong li ya. And they will tell you, Yo tho. Right, so please tho. So I hope you learned how to ask someone how to say something in Hmong today. And cho sẽ cậu, cho sẽ học có yên cởi bao, xin gì đó.